Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Jamey Johnson's In Color. To begin, place your capo on the 3rd fret of your guitar. This sets the song in its original key, allowing you to use common open chord shapes. Ensure your guitar is in standard tuning before you start. This simple setup is crucial for capturing the authentic sound of this beloved country tune. It makes the subsequent chord shapes much more accessible for playing. The majority of In Color revolves around just 3 fundamental chord shapes: G, F, and C. For the F chord, many players find it easier to use a simplified version, playing only the top 3 or 4 strings. These 3 shapes are repeated throughout the verses and choruses, so mastering them is your next important step. Focus on clear, clean notes for each chord. Once you have your chords down, let's talk rhythm. A common strumming pattern is down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. This pattern provides a relaxed, flowing feel, perfect for the song's storytelling. Aim for a tempo around 65 beats per minute to match the original recording. Practice slowly at first, focusing on smooth transitions between each chord shape. Finally, the bridge section adds a couple of new chords, E minor and D major. These appear during the "That's the Story of My Life" lyric. Pay close attention to the timing of these changes by listening to the original song. Remember, consistent practice is key to smooth transitions and developing your own feel for the music. Enjoy playing this timeless classic.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.